Walking tours. They're okay. Depends on your port of call. The Caribbean, for example, may not be the best for a walking tour, especially for a person like me, an avid cruiser. I've been there a few times, so I would just go on my own. Spain, Europe, a little different. I haven't been on this side of the world much. I don't know where I'm going. So a tour like this might be a good thing to do. Our first site is here, Castillo de Concepcion, founded in 229 BC. A quick elevator ride.
You'll tell me when.
You're doing amazing. You got this, girl.
We get a quick history lesson. And some views above Cartagena, which is surprisingly flat. So we all know the common benefits of walking. The obvious ones: cardiovascular and muscular health. And it also burns calories. But walking also reduces the risk of heart disease and helps regulate blood pressure. We continue our walk to the Roman theater of Cartagena. Built between 5 and 1 BC, it held about 6,000 people. It was abandoned in the 13th century, and not until 1988, while doing other construction around the area, the first remains of the theater were discovered. Full restoration was done in 2003, and a museum was added in 2008, which we are also going to see. Walking also helps improve your mood, especially in the right environment. You've been there. Walk in a park, headphones on, you're in the zone. Feels good. Through alleyways and narrow streets, we continue our walk towards the museum. Inside the museum, learning more about history, now seeing these pieces makes you wonder how it was living in those days. And how good we have it, actually living in these days.
My family and me, we are building this building for you because we want you to be a part of us.
Another benefit from walking is that it can help prolong your lifespan. Diseases like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers are prevented. And, this one's big for a lot of us, walking helps keep your weight down. Anyway, it's been a beautiful day walking through Cartagena. Is this something I could have done on my own? Sure. But it actually felt pretty good hanging with the crowd. And whether in a group or solo, there's hardly ever a bad time to go for a walk.